Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, so simply tap on it, and right now we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove only one of it just by tapping on this X button right next to it, and as you can see it simply disappears, so you can remove the whole list manually one by one. But if you'd like to remove all of them just with one click, all you have to do is to enter clear browsing data, and as you can see here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced, let's tap on it. Can we? Okay, in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So in order to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked. So I would like to remove everything, and you can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. All you have to do right now is simply tap on clear data if you are ready, and we just got back to the history, which is right now empty. So it means that we successfully removed actually everything, starting with the list of visited websites to the ending with the saved passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.